On this millennial review, we're going to unbox the Instapot and go over some of the features that it comes with. So as I open this up, be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you can see more videos like this into the future. But we'll start with inside of the box. You're going to get a Instapot user's manual, and this is going to give you a guide of how to use it. And there it is. So this is the Instapot. So basically what the Instapot is basically a pressure cooker that has a few more features. This can sort of work like a traditional slow cooker, except for because it also can be a pressure cooker, it's going to allow you to be able to cook things in a lot less time, or you can run it in the slower version as well. So basically this is going to have 3 temperature settings for saute. You're going to have a fast cooking setting, and because it's got dual pressure sensors on it, you can adjust them for fast or slower pressure cooking. It actually has a yogurt maker as well, so you can use this to make some yogurt, and then it's going to be able to run as a slow cooker for anywhere between a half to 20 hours on it, which is pretty cool. And then of course you can use it to keep your food warm. And when you cook this on high compared to a standard slow cooker, this can actually cook about 70% faster. And on the front, you're going to have all of your different settings and how to set it up. So it's a pretty neat unit.